don't need any dollar anymore, guys, because Entangle is live and we made a 26x. If you follow me on Twitter, YouTube, I announced about Entangle. My tweet about the giveaway for the public round was live on my Twitter several weeks ago. Also on my YouTube, I announced about Entangle. It is launching soon and the pre-sale price was just 6.5 cents. And currently we are sitting at $1.70. Wow, wow, wow. We don't need a dollar anymore. We are making profits. And guys, I want to talk about Entangle in this video. And if you want to stay up to date about upcoming videos, about upcoming projects, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because we have reached the 2,500 subscribers on YouTube. Next milestone is 5,000 and I want to make gains together with you. So like and subscribe this video if you like my content, and let's talk about Entangle. Entangle is an omni-chain that connects data, assets and more with Entangle fast and fully customizable for interoperability's primitives. So they have 42 dApps already integrated, they have connected with 16 blockchains, and the testnet of Entangle has already 2.8 billion transactions. This is very great, guys. I love this project for sure. Like, this is one of my long-term holdings that I hold this bull run. I didn't sell anything of the pre-sale. I didn't sell anything, and I will not do it very soon. I will hold my bag until the real bull market starts, because when we check out CoinMarketCap and we check out the top 100 projects of CoinMarketCap, we can see that most of the projects are layer 1s or projects with real utility, and some, of course, some kind of meme coins with Shiba and Doge, but most of them are layer 1s or layer 2s. Check this out: Ethereum, layer 1, BNB, used for layer 1 or layer 2, Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Avalanche, Tron, Polkadot, Polygon, Chainlink, all of them are layers. And also Entangle is some kind of a layer. So we love this kind of projects. They can reach market caps of billions. That is the reason I'm holding this project until the real bull market starts. And so power your dApps with interoperability, and we see trustless bridging, omni-chain dApps, smart contracts automation, GameFi infrastructure. They have so much things in their ecosystem, and this is not a small project. Like, this is a real big project with real utilities. Like, I'm not a developer, so I cannot dive deeper into everything, and I don't want to put all developer terms to you and make you like dizzy in that. No, I just talk about the highlighted things about Entangle and what can we expect from them and the partnerships they have already, because they have quite big names on board already and mentioned in the press on big platforms. Also, there was an airdrop listing on Gate, Maxi, which exchange is also involved. I saw so many exchanges for Entangle. Like, Entangle is not listed on CoinMarketCap yet because they launched today. I expect it will be there very soon, but maybe we can find out on Twitter because they announced a lot of stuff there. So I will go later on to the Twitter of Entangle. So what else is on the website? We can see there was the website already about the homepage, but let's get back to the Twitter page of Entangle, because guys, man, this team is so experienced and I love that. Like, their engagement is so always super high. 124,000 views and 950 likes. And I expect from a project like this, it is not fake. Like, this is real engagement, because with the current hype ongoing with Entangle, wow. Like, a 26x for the public sale. It's insane. What else can we find? So there's a claiming portal. If you invested in Entangle, you need to claim your tokens. Beside that, what can we see? Also, Mario Naval is hosting a space about Entangle. Mario is not a small player. 1.2 million followers. He hosts AMAs on Twitter and also spaces. And he talks about projects in the crypto or things in the world. And he has a lot of listeners. 170,000. It's insane. And Entangle ecosystem. Investment. Okay, we invested in some of the best projects in the past 2 months. Pixel, Portal, Octavia, GP Protocol, and a lot of more stuff. And this is the whole ecosystem of Entangle where they work together with. Like, look at this, all layer 1s or layer 2s that are involved in the Entangle ecosystem. Do you know what kind of value Entangle is added to this? Like, it's insane. Also, the other projects around that one. And what can we find more? Like, Blast Off. They've, like, you can see it by the way they design stuff also. They can really take the time for making the emotions professional. Like, creating this is not like 5 or 10 minutes. No, somebody needs to design this. And also he needs to color it up, think about it, and then post it on Twitter. So there's a real team behind this project. Gate listing. So this is the listing, Gate. And also we see Maxi. What else? Are there more? KuCoin is also involved. Like so many exchanges, like wow. Bybit, another one, like Bybit also. I didn't check out which kind of exchanges yet because I only was checking on Maxi myself because most of the time I use Maxi because also the low market caps are on Maxi. But KuCoin, Bybit are big names and it's nice to see that they are listed there. What else? To find out more, the roadmap to Solana, you can read this blog post about their mainnet to Solana. Entangle X Solana, creating an omni-chain future. Like, wow. So you may be thinking right now, what is Entangle and what it does? In short, Entangle aims to bridge the gap between isolated blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. They are isolated in the DeFi space. It does this by creating an interoperable cross-chain liquidity sublayer, allowing users to seamless access and utilize their assets across different kinds of blockchains. And yeah, man, I love such kind of environments. It's great to see that because it's great for the future of blockchain in general. Now some kind of blockchains are very isolated and your funds are there, and now Entangle makes it possible to use both blockchains and connect with each other. Arbitrum, also a nice partnership with them. Like, yeah, only big names. And I'm not hyped because it's a paid video. No, I'm not. I'm investing myself in this project, and I think this is a really jam for the long term, guys. And guys, again, if you're still here watching my videos, you probably like my videos, right? Support the Crypto June journey. Let's make some gains together and find more valuable gems. Because you are here watching my videos to find gems, right? Me too. I want to find gems and share it with you because that's making me happy. Making other people also rich on the journey with finding gems. So like and subscribe and let's push my channel to 5,000 subscribers. So what else can we find? They also have a partnership with Burpa token, the next generation meme coin incubated by Entangle. So I expect this one is also doing quite great because with the current hype of Entangle, I expect also their ecosystem projects or incubator projects will do great. And yeah, I love the designs also, to be honest, of the Burpa token. And what is Burpa? Burpa isn't your average meme. Soon you will see how deep the iceberg goes. So what kind of announcement is this? It's a first dip into the Deganite dual team world of Burpa token. Like, let's check it out real quick before I go back. Like, I can feel the vibe. Like, there was a legend died with Dragon Ball Z. They make straight away a meme about it. Like, this is what you need. With this kind of visuals, you create some kind of a feeling about the community and involvement and also fun. So I will definitely follow Burpa token also on their journey with Entangle. Another banger of a partnership with Montel. We can see they hold a space with them, and this space was hosted on the 5th of March. And also we can see, yeah, like Montel is a very big project, 600,000 followers. Man, they only have partnership with big guys, and I love to see this. Like I said, definitely a word to hodl long term. I think if we can talk about, is it a good buy opportunity right now? Again, if I have $1,000 to invest in Entangle, I will buy $500 right now. And I keep $500 in USDT. And if we go higher, I position myself already with a position. But if we go lower and I see a nice dip, I will catch it because we cannot know if the price goes down or up. But we can only play it smart. And with playing smart, we are able to get the average price. So I will do 50% right now if I'm not in yet. I will do 25% when there is a nice dip. When we see another dip in the future, I will catch another 25%. And now I have the average price. And with that, I'm in Entangle with a good price. But of course, it's up to you. I am not God or I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own thing. But yeah, that's only what I'm doing with projects that I just launched and I like for the long term. I dollar cost average instead of buying all in one. And of course, when we make a 5x with only doing 500, yeah, I feel like, it was maybe more, but I didn't do more. You cannot do it always right. You want to play smart in this market and not be greedy. So always play smart, dollar cost average if you like a project, because there will be dips and you cannot predict them. So that's my advice as a person to you, but always doing your research, guys. Again, if you're still here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it because we talked about so much gems, and also if I found a gem, I'm able sometimes to host giveaways for you to participate in public sales that are normally not public for everyone. So also whitelist spots will be given away, and on my profile we can also see, like, I talked about a lot of projects. We have here Smurfcat, we did it also, talked about it, we made a nice profit already on them. Kip, and also a banger of a project, is upcoming. We have so much upcoming gems and on the channel. So like, subscribe, follow me, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.